This video covers how to install a steel van rack. Please refer to the provided directions for application-specific details. Tools required. Before beginning, ensure that all parts and required tools are present. Step 1. Install the airfoil by centering it on the crossmember. Then mark the centers of the open-ended slots. Note: do not use the circular holes. Use a 1/8 inch drill bit to create pilot holes on the marks just made. Insert the provided 1/4 inch screws, leaving a gap. Apply a small amount of sealant to the thread. Then slip the airfoil in place and tighten the screws. Step 2. Refer to the provided directions for application-specific mounting point process and required rubber spacers. In this example, a Ford Transit is shown, so the circular caps from the roof of the van need to be removed, and the thicker side of the rubber spacer needs to be identified. Some applications may require rubber spacer and rubber shim. Step 3. Apply sealant around exposed mounting holes. Then apply rubber spacers, making sure the thicker side of the spacer is installed toward the outside of the van. Step 4. Refer to the included directions for application-specific hardware for this step. Begin by installing all stands on one side of the van, using the bolts and lock washers specific to the application. Do not tighten completely. Step 5. Using tape, mark the stand overlap on each end of each crossmember. Refer to the tape distance chart in the directions for application-specific measurements. Insert one end of a crossmember into a stand that is already installed. Add opposite stand and then loosely install the hardware. Make sure the crossmember with the airfoil is at the front of the van, sloping downward toward the front bumper. Step 6. Once all crossmembers are loosely installed, center using tape, tighten hardware on all crossmembers and stands, and remove the tape. Step 7. Seal bolts that attach crossmembers to stands and the area where crossmembers overlap. Step 8. Attach ladder stops and the ladder guides. If you need help, visit the website or contact customer service.